Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go.
Here's Wordle number 744 for July 3rd, 2023. It's the beginning of the week. It's a Monday. I think I'm going to change things up. Instead of using my favorite starter word, raise, I am going to use cutie. Cutie has a U, an E, and a Y, and a very popular T. So let's see what happens. Well, I've got two letters in the correct place, so that is really good. This makes me believe the second letter is a vowel. So if I go X, X, T, E, X, and I know the vowel has to be an A or an O or an I, let's go with A. So X, A, T, E, X. Well, latex will work, L-A-T-E-X. Later, L-A-T-E-R. So I'm going to try later. L-A-T-E-R. It will tell me if there is an A. If that is a vowel, I like the L. I like the R. So let's see what happens here. L-A-T-E-R. I have an L. That's good. The A is not the second letter, so that probably is an O or an I. And of course, the L has to go at the end of the word. So let's try that. X-O-T-E-L. Motel. Motel will work. Hotel will work. So I'm thinking it's either hotel or motel, possibly. Which one am I going to go with? My first inclination was motel. So another one of those words where if this is correct, I got it in 3. If not, it's hotel. If it's not either of those words, then I've got to rethink this. So let's see what happens. Oh, she did it to me again. Tracy Bennett, Tracy Bennett, Tracy Bennett. It was either motel or hotel. I went with motel, and I'm pretty sure it's hotel. This is the second day in a row where it could have been a couple of words, and I chose the wrong one. So in this case, instead of getting it in 3, I got it in 4. I hope you did well today. And that's it for Wordle for July 3rd, 2023.
So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy Wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.